Alright, so this video is for a 2019 ProMaster 3500. I'm pretty sure it's the same throughout the years. This is if you're trying to remove the upper intake manifold, plenum, whatever you want to call it. So you already took everything off. You took off your pipes, you took off that thing, you moved the reservoir, and you loosened every single bolt that they told you to do, disconnected all the hoses, and it still won't move. So this is after you remove all these bolts, of course. I think there's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That one's gonna give you a hard time, I can tell you that for sure. And you disconnect hose. You already disconnected these 2 bolts in the back, these 2 in the front, which are not fun at all. You already took off all your wiring, the map sensor, throttle body, and of course all the cables and wiring that were connected to this thing. So, I saw a couple videos. They tell you to loosen this T bracket, whatever they want to call it. And it's loose. There's nothing holding it, but it's still not going anywhere. So, that doesn't give it enough room for you to wiggle the manifold out, right? So, these things are what's in the way. These bad boys right here. So, what you need to do is you got to get up under there, and you have these clamps. You don't need to loosen that 10. I did loosen that 10. You gotta go under there, and I'll go ahead and show you. Alright, so let's get it under here. I don't know if you can see. So you got a bracket there, and a bracket. Yeah, come on, focus. Right there. So it holds your whole coolant. So it is. This is to the block, and then this one's to the bracket. It sandwiches, right? So you take off the 13, right? Take it off, bracket, it's loose, and then you move that out of the way. And then you move this one that holds that upper piece that holds those little prongs that are on the other manifold. Alright, so it's backwards, my bad. So it's sandwiched this to the block. The clamp that holds the intake manifolds here, and then this is the bolt that holds the clamp for the hose. Hopefully this helps some people working on their ProMaster. Yummy.